wait, which flavor did you
My
get?
vanilla chai cupcake.
Okay, and the thoughts are?
It's a normal cupcake.
Gotcha.
It's fine. It's
Wow.
not excessively sweet, which
Okay.
some people would appreciate.
Yeah.
But it's just an okay cupcake. It's
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah. We have the McDonald duo together. Anyway.
God, it's so much worse when you're under it.
You want to take it down the steps and carry that?
You're scaring the poor. Oh my god, that poor kid. They have a Blackpink section. That's so cute. This is the first time I've actually seen that at a store, so. This is no trespassing in fountain. There's like literally no water in here. There's no water.
It just starts filling.
Oh my god, imagine if it just started filling in. Oh. I don't know. Liam is so stoked that there's ice skating here. He has been. Oh, it's on the other.
Why do we have to leave? Can't we just stay here?
The Starbucks here is like, it's blue, which I think is so interesting. But yeah, the view is really nice here too. It's really giving winter wonderland right now, so. So it's almost 12 here, and we just finished packing for like the most part, apart from like stuff that we need tomorrow. Our flight is at around 1 o'clock, so we have one more session just to figure out like logistics for this coming year, and then we are all off to the airport and back home. So it's coming to an end.
How's the vlogging going?
It's good.
Oh. Hi.
You guys have touched your eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
No, sometimes. Salt and lime on.
I'll honestly eat anything with ketchup.
Now, that was cool. No salt and lime on. That's
Ketchup with their eggs. That's kind of. That's a little. I mean, just because it's like too much, like
Yeah.
like yeah.
Me walking down the hallway, what I'm listening to.
I used to joke because I used to be listening to like Young Brats and like XXX and like Ernie, so we're like a really crazy shit. And I'd just be sitting there in the dead silent like, computer workroom in the school. And in the midnight you hear the
What is happening?
That's not usually what I listen to though. Like, I was
Let's keep waving. No princess wave. Hey, I don't stop waving. We didn't stop waving.
How dare they? We're walking to security.
Hi.
Almost there. Almost there.
Do you like pudding?
No. I'm not doing this joke. I know this joke. I know this joke. Yeah, I like pudding.
Putting these cups in your
Nice job, yeah. Alright, what are you doing? This is like conflicting vlogs.
No, it's a vlog and a vlog.
Texas, let's go.
Finally on Texas soil.
We're in your territory.
My territorial. Is it like your first time in Dallas, or have any of y'all like been?
This is my first
Oh,
time.
first time in Texas ever?